Hello again, it's me, Brandon, aka Dracula looking hair before adding water, busted ass hairstyle, and I am back with another nostalgic grooming review, and this is one of his new products, so I'm actually excited to talk about that, and that is the Nostalgic Grooming Cream. Now, what makes this stuff unique is that Dave was looking for something that could be kind of like a conditioning product in your hair, but also be used as a light product. But what it kind of works as, that I've noticed, is it works kind of as a multi-purpose cream in regards to being able to use it in your beard, being able to use it on your hair, and being able to use it as a degreaser. So let's get right into it. The look on this one is very similar to all the other ones. Obviously, it's kind of got the cream colored background, and then this one has the cell phone, the old 80s looking cell phone, which I think is awesome. The top on this one is the mango sage, which the scent on it's really nice. The smell is, you get kind of a light mango scent. It's like almost 50% mango, 50% sage. Whereas some of them, one's more prominent. This one's kind of right in the middle. Really nice, not overpowering. The ingredients on this product are distilled water, castor seed oil, emulsifying wax, mango butter, soy wax, beeswax, kapuka butter, apricot kernel oil, jojoba oil, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, fragrance, hydrogenated castor oil, vitamin E, and the glycol and sorbic acid. So most of the stuff in here is pretty good for your hair. When you open it up, you'll see it's kind of a white color. I haven't used too much of it. Well, I mean, I've used a good amount, but you don't need to use a lot of this stuff. Scooping it out, scoops out obviously really easy for a light. And I'll probably only do 2 applications of the stuff. I don't need a lot of it. Breaking it down is going to be the same. You just got to warm your hands up, and you'll notice it's pretty much already gone. Now, in my hair, I have some nostalgic grooming Petro Firm in my hair right now. I wanted to use this because right off the bat I can tell you this isn't going to have a super good hold. It is a light. So what I'm using this in is I'm using this in buildup from that Petro based product to help degrease it and add a little bit of shine and hold. I've been wearing it in a beanie all day. You'll notice application is really easy. It's going to be really smooth and really nice. You don't have to, like I said, with this stuff, you don't have to put a lot in. A little goes a long way. I mean, I'm putting a medium amount in because I got a lot of buildup right now, but you don't need too much. Slicking this stuff back, already putting it in my buildup, I can already see that it's making it quite a bit easier. If you were to slick this stuff back on its own in just like regular hair, it would be exceptionally easy to slick back. It's really light and really slick. I wouldn't say it's greasy, but it's definitely slick. And like I said, if you have like some oil-based buildup or some, just some wax stuff left over, this stuff is going to lighten it up a little bit and add a little bit of shine and definitely add some conditioning properties to your hair. Now, I didn't wipe this off of my hand just yet, and I'm going to apply it to my beard as well. One thing about this cream that I like being a beard user, and I might even add a little bit more, being a beard user, is that you can, once you get done applying it to your hair, you can add this to your beard, and not only will it give it a nice light luster, but it'll also help kind of get some of the strays away. The lighter hold on there will help shape your beard and help pull in the strays, but also leave it really nice and conditioned. Styling with the Afro Pick, like I said, this has buildup in it, so if you're going to style with this product, it's going to give you some volume, but don't expect it to really last. This is a product that's really, really, really good when you add it to things. I can't stress that enough. By itself, it's great if you're going to be like wearing it around the house, or if you want like a nice slick comb over look, like wear it to work, you have a shorter hairstyle. For me, since I have longer hair, and you've seen how long this stuff can get, I like to use it with other products. So I think that's going to do it. Styling didn't take very long because I had that build up in. I am going to comb my beard, however, give it a little bit of shape. So what are my overall thoughts on this product? Well, As a light product, I think it's really good as a standalone product. If you want a slicker, like comb over type look, you could do a very small side part contour with it. I think it's good to put in your hair if you're having a lazy day and you wear a beanie and you want to just, like, you know, maybe it's cold outside or you wear a hat, you can put this stuff in and let it condition your hair all day. As a standalone product, that's what I'd suggest it used for. You can't really get good hold or good endurance for this because this is a lighter product, and I feel like the sole purpose of this stuff is to be used in combination with other products like Build Up to add a little bit of shine, is where it works the best in my opinion. Also, it works great as a standalone beard product. You can apply like one little small scoop, break it down, it'll help get some of the strays out of the way, and it's gonna leave your beard feeling really freaking soft and really nice. So if you're a beard user, a beard product user, I should say, you guys got to give this a shot. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with this. For me personally, for what Dave's trying to do, which is make a conditioning product, you know, a product that's light on hold, light on endurance, but like heavy in conditioning, I think Dave nailed it right on the head. I think this is a great product. Like I said, I would recommend it used with buildup or used with like kind of a very low maintenance hairstyle and low maintenance you know, day, like wearing a hat underneath. But other than that, I really don't have any complaints. I think this really is on the money for what Dave was trying to do. I'm going to give this a 4.6 out of 5. This is an excellent product. Like I said, if you're looking for something that you want to throw into the rotation for your beard, you want to throw into the rotation for your hair, you're looking for something to kind of switch things up, then I think that this is going to be right on the money. Let me know if you've seen this and if you tried it, and if you have any questions that I didn't cover in the video, feel free to, you know, ask them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good one, guys.